Hi everyone, quick video of something that's up for sale again. Here is a bezel for a Superstar 3900. Ideal for restoring radios and this, that and the other. The model number is PT148N112A. So it's a Superstar 3900 bezel. So it's ideal for a project, like I said, or anything like that. I've got one myself. This is the spare one. So if anybody's interested in it, please let me know. It's brand new in the plastic, never been opened. I bought a few of these a few years back for restorations, but never got round to it. So I'm keeping one for myself, and here's another one if anybody's interested. Brand new in the packet. I want £50 UK. Posted within the UK for free. If it's going anywhere else apart from the UK, it will be slightly extra. But if it's any use to anybody, please let me know. Just drop a message below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much, everyone. Best 7 free. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.